this side and Mama said the boy. Yo, Oscar. Come here.
What I say, what my general?
Oscar.
Yeah.
Why I really have to talk to you again, you know? Right now, me and your granny I said they want to fire you from up at your workplace. How I go on up there? What go on with you?
Yo, Jack. Sometimes not to like tell mama certain things, you know, because mama love blow things out of proportion, you know. You understand? But, so me get fire, but me not get no fire, you know. See it? I said, big that I go up at the hotel. I don't really want to talk it. That's why you see me a little low.
So, what could I not go on up there, sir?
I'm going to show you a pray. I go up at the hotel there. See? Yo, you see the little catty when I walk around with the little broad, short catty?
Yeah, man. That little catty there. Now you're a catty where you're not coming on the other day?
Yeah, Jack. Same short girl. You know, so the other day, I'm going to show me a prayer. Walk my team up at the hotel and tell me, say, boss, hold him down, brother.
Bumbo clot. And that go on up there? And your granny come tell me, say, you want to get fire? You see them boss boy? And them something they really go on with up there?
That's it. And I don't know what to tell she if you do. If you tell him to go to station.
Alright, here what? Because you see them things cost life, you know. Cost life. You see me? Because here one now, it's up at the hotel there. A whole heap of liquor carry go bring come.
Ja, I don't plan to keep a secret of ever, you know.
Your granny things are fire you out forget, you know. Granny things are fire you out forget. So, here what go on. You just have to lay low. You see me? Because here what? I think I think the thief up there. Because just that me kind of that hear about, but this serious. So you just go and lay low.
You understand? But I go and figure out how to do the same way. You understand? But anyway, I will go to my yard, I will do it. I will link up soon, you hear me?
I will catch up with the eye and talk again. I have one little thing up a yard to deal with, so we catch up with come on. You hear that?
So you do down here, so look how long me I look for you. We are the right test and me I look for you how long, eh? What you do down here, so what am I take me down here, so?
Sis, me I go through some whole heap of things right now. You would understand some whole heap of things me I go through.
Anyways, if your phone on the yard and your workplace I call you and I get you, and remember, you see any you lose the work, I don't know what you are going to do for take care of yourself. I don't know what you are going to do for get a job.
Danica, him rape me.
What? What you talk about?
See, Mr. Johnson, the man up on my workplace, from a day, I realize say, I be a night shift for my give me hand. And night time I'm going in my office, him ever job things for my bend over and take it up. And most time I take up the things in my job, I catch him a look on me. Till one night, but day I'm end up in my office.
Hello?
General, what go on? Boy, I try to get to you from this morning. I call your phone, and many times I call your phone.
They up on the work, my boy. You know where you go.
Yeah, man, me that try to get to the eye, man, because you want me, I know. Me have a little thing when I want you really scoop around for me. Yeah. Remember that little virgin there one day, me I tell you, say, work up at the hotel, man. For me little hygiene youth, me you don't know, because the youth, them always come to me when they have certain little problem, and me I just reason with them.
You know where you go, you have to do it.
Alright, I'm going to show you what going on now. You see me? It's a serious thing towards what him said to me, you know, but here what? Yeah, my virgin, and I really like some more you go lock up nobody. But more you give you the best advice for you think would have know if you deal with this thing. You know, say, He must show me a vibe, say, the boss up at the hotel, hold on him woman.
Rape. What you say to me? So you no report it?
No man, we never really want to make no report yet. You see me, that's how I call you. We kinda find out what we can do for kinda. You see me, if we take her money, if she can take her money off him or cool her down her.
No man, that man if you go and go report it, man. What you say, man? We know if you go report it. He told them, make it told them go report it. And that the man they up at that hotel, you know if you know if you know because that man is heavy, you know. Yeah man, that man is heavy man, so you know if you know the same way. Yeah man, make them go report it.
Alright, my general. Yeah man, give thanks for answer the call, man. We link, man. Don't worry yourself, man. Yes, my general. Yes, my general. Alright. May give you a call the next few days time from now. John, now. What is this, man? What is?
I'm going to bend over and take it up. And I him that I see what I'm from behind. And I say, Mr. Johnson, what you do? And he might force up himself for me. I might try to get away from him. And he will on for me. And then he just start tear off my clothes. Alright, me.
So we tell, you go to the police, I tell the police?
Well, I tell my boyfriend and I tell him to hold it down because nobody not going to want to believe. Because they not going to want to say Mr. Johnson have him wife and this and that. And I'm confused, girl. So I'm not really go to the police then or send it to nobody more than my boyfriend.
Come on, because this now go so.
Wake up. Wake up. You get up, I need to spread up your bed. Look how you play stay. You not to get up and, you know say something I gonna do. You lie down and sleep. Big and lazy for you go and go look up. Get up, man. You're too big and lazy. Get up, man. I want to spread up your bed. Get up now. Done. I want to spread up the bed. Sun hot, you lay down in here in a bed. I can't take them and sit here no more, you know. Get up. Excuse.
What time now? What time now?
I mean, the ask time, look how you're big and you know no time. Sorry.
What my boot there?
How which shoes that you're asking about? I mean, help take care of your foot?
Alright, it's my boot there, man. Because you see, you love take big song go on like say, it's an invitation to a conversation. You like how you deal with things, man. You go early like morning and you just come in and things. I'm tired, you know, man. Me tired, man. I just, yo, I hear me. Just do what you do, you answer.
How you do something tired?
Don't worry about that. I tell you, just miserable some man. Yo, just because your brown skin and something good you go and say, you know. That I think, you know. Why rough, I don't know. You're so busy somebody, yo, I hear me. Just give me some time, you know, sir. I wake up myself properly because early morning I have nothing to deal with. Oh boy. So wait, say food I start out food? You start out food already?
Where food there? You put food on the table, you ask for food?
You mean? 5 bills over there, sir. 5 bills can start out little tin mackerel. We have little pepper out the door. Yeah? 5 bills can start out 1 pound of flour and 1 tin mackerel. That would be good. National dish, tin mackerel, saltfish. I don't know what I'm going with it. something wrong, but yeah, you're rough.
$500 can't buy nothing. You ask for food. You know say that you take me for? Tin mackerel. And you they come. Where you think about pepper? Pepper every day. Me no want you nothing about no pepper and no tin mackerel. No more day time as long as nearly. Me tell you that you go feed me all the days of my life and tin mackerel.
Well, rough sometimes some people I'm grateful, listen man. And people in Africa right now that be grateful for your tin mackerel right now. Right now tin mackerel me feel for. What you feel for?
Don't question me, you chat too much.
Chat can't too much, you never know about that.
You're lucky.
Mouth make you talk. I walk call you so early.
I'm a friend.
Friend?
Yo, mama, I know say man probably there, but just go on like one girl I call you.
What going goodie? What man?
You see you, I say you going on, and be things are going on, you know. Where you say now? You can't come check you later.
The phone did this. Yeah. Alright, call me back, yeah man. I'm going to check you.
Just let me know when the man is around, man.
Yeah, remember say we all go somewhere. I lie. God no? Hey? We can't wait to get it. Alright then. Alright.
What is best friend? Eh? I know who that best friend is.
You go on like you don't know my friend named Angelina.
Angelina?
I'm a friend Angelina. You know her. And she always see me with. Yeah.
I never hear talk about no Lena, no Angelina,
And the
Tangelina.
same girl you always see me with.
Girl? That you say? I see that best friend right now.
Angelina, you're going like you don't know her. Look how much you see her. You just don't know her name, but she named Angelina. Matter of fact, me a question about your friend them.
I see that best friend now. It's alright, know yourself. But they are dark, must come a light. Angelina, you have talk about. Crosses to wake me up so early for man. Go on piss and that's about it. Let's go piss here.
Babes, I want to you.
What do you mean want to do? You drop your head but come out and come see. Or come check me.
I lucky things that
Busy with your best friend, not true?
I lucky things that me did wake up you. If you glad that me wake you up, I lucky thing me wake up because maybe you'd have kissed them.
So cross is straight around the teacher. And nobody send a cash back. Cross is this.
You see you? When you done you say me not care about you. But you know what me too concerned. Me hear like you drop outside little while. Me no know what happened to you. But it sound like you fall down. Come hear something lick up out there. Me can't ask you why you go on like you want to insult me. Everything good man. Big up yourself.
Oh, yeah, turn right. Best friend?
Yo, mama.
What I don't want girl is?
No, girl. Angelina. Angelina. No. Hello.
That one, hey, I go, hey, how this? Angelina? Alright, boss, alright. Yeah, man, guess what now? My name is Kemar and this is a public report, right? So if you're over by AV watching this short film, I want you to go over by public report official and that's public with a K. There will be a link in the description, alright? So guess what? Go over there and subscribe. Please. You'll get this and many more videos like this over there, so alright? So go and jam with me right now, quickly. We'll be jamming, yeah, over AV or public report official, yes.
$500 can't buy nothing. You ask for food. Me I tie up. You two of you at the same time and that you don't realize. You chat, me chat. When you go chat, you first want to chat around me. How you go? Okay, Mosh. You know what I say already.
Me want this to blow.
Come. You're rough.
All ton?
Best friend, not the best friend of
Big boy.
No, no, girl. Angelina. Angelina. No, no. Hello, hello.
What? I want the blood clot. No, God. Get up.
We're not going with people. Hold on, hold on. So, yes, guys, that's Fire Us and a new cast member. I don't know Lawrence and him weird ideas. So before now, I actually get her one side. Well, before I get her one side, this is what I did. I went around, asked crew members to write a question for her on a piece of paper. So what I did was, I took a photo of her. So I took this photo, I showed it to every cast member, and I said to them, if you could ask this face one question, what would that question be? So that we do. But we are going to golf course now, and then later we follow up on that. And bear in mind, majority of the cast members are females, and I am saying this because of the questions that were asked. And I'm going to find them interesting. Golf course, visuals, yeah. Ain't this what life is about? Meeting new people, new personalities, and doing fun things. What else do you want out of life? Oh, she's trying to get under the fence, guys. Carlanda, is this your first time? Yes. Okay. See if one wing for me or however they do that. Okay. So over by the golf course now. I figure more or less I'm gonna go live and all these things. And here is everyone. So the questions came from these people, guys. Except that pretty one with the handbag. She wasn't here as yet, but everyone else. Yeah. Tiring and fun. Fun and tiring. Hello, pretty miss. They haven't met you as yet.
Hi guys.
Kind to introduce yourself, miss?
My name is Yannick, aka Peaches.
Peaches?
Yes.
A honey did that for you?
There is honey, yeah.
Okay.
My teeth in sister, the way to eat my baby. Candy. Yes, see her up before.
Sir,
Oh.
beautiful. And what are we doing out here today?
Honestly, I don't know. Just to follow the crowd.
Okay. Okay.
Don't know if I have a part to do today, but me just come with the crowd.
So how has the experience been so far for you?
Wonderful.
Yes, see. Yeah, me have a live. Come, you want to come? Huh? Yeah, sit here. Let me go live. So, I'm terrible with names. Remind me your name again?
Yannick.
Oh, yes, Yannick. So how has the experience been for you so far?
Shut up, Akeem.
It's been good.
Shut up, my sister. Listen, this is Yannick and this is our thiefing sister Candy. What I want to say, bless up on yourself, you know, I love you a long time. And you should breathe again, my teeth in that pit me.
Ain't this what life is about? Meeting new people, new personalities, and doing fun things. What else do you want out of life? Yo, on a sure crocodile. Hey, fire! Crocodile down there, some youth. Hi, miss.
Hi guys.
Are you an actor as well?
No, not as yet.
Not as yet. You're not playing a part yet?
No.
Oh, yeah, drink.
I'm having a Jamaica first strike there.
Mine are drunk, you know. See me, people. Great Popeye.
Santa Claus in town.
So you see the persons that ask those questions of you? Are you seeing the people?
Me? I'm not been asking about today.
Hey, last time I talked to you.
It's not my fault.
I'm not talk to you again. People? Okay. Make sure you cover it. Okay. See my little girlfriend down here, so I don't know. I understand how she down here chat to next man.
Calm down. Different man in our life.
Hello. It's over. Bye.
Why would you do that?
Cause you find new man.
Don't you know that I don't cheat? Black women don't cheat.
No, black women don't cheat.
No, we don't. Yeah.
Yes, nice man.
You not seen none of my BTS them? You haven't seen any of those videos? So,
I saw you.
what me do?
Why you do it, Jack girl?
What me do?
You don't do nothing, brother.
Oh, why me break up with you?
Yeah, why
Because
did you do that?
you cheat.
Black women don't cheat. I told you already.
You want manage the live? Oh.
Just shoot and try to keep it real, you know what I mean? A bag of things go on. Yeah, pick up to all of the people them in the world, you see? Bag of things go on, you see it? Yeah, pick up to all of the people them, you know? Bag of things go on. Pull up!
So you go pop it on. You can't feel my phone love freeze like. When I go on with people, I see if they settle down. Settle down.
Money don't take you.
Come on, settle down. Why this time on your phone I can't freeze? A hole in 15. So that them say when it go in another one?
Alright.
Them normally say hole in 1. Show me 15, that's something I want to hole in 15.
15 green.
15 who?
Green.
Green. I wish I knew that.
Alright, yo.
John Mustard, why this
So
freeze
them
up
have
so
other
much?
something like this over the side too?
Albo. 80 and
So with their 15, so 3 more up there, so 3 more the them the up there, so.
Our family, get it straight and direct. Me and Uno are family. Me and Uno sister and Uno and my brother. Me and Uno ma, Uno and my ma. The whole of we are family because we are God picking. Big up on yourself. Bless up all the time. Coming from straight from Candy.
Go on again. Show them again. Show them. She can't flick, guys. She can't flick. She can't boom flick. A big people are going to them and something and say, no, say happy, then happy. Watch out. Where did you learn to do that? Where's where I learned to flick?
Country, where I grew up, Betheltown.
Betheltown?
Yeah. Country girl.
She nice, seeing you guys. Look for her.
Yeah.
Boom flick.
So one next flicker that's in country.
Find it? Oh no, she can't put her foot behind her head. I can't do that for her.
That's on the grass.
I best place to do it.
Make sure I find the smooth grass.
On the smooth grass? Can't do it on the smooth grass. So come now.
The minute they come.
Okay. Should I come? What kind of trick, guys? She never know said already I record. So So this is the new actress, new part. Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself.
Oh my god, can you get that part out?
Why? They look nice.
Hi, hello, my name is Carlanda Gordon. Am I hearing me?
Carolina, yeah, I'm here. Very clearly.
But you can just call me Carly, if that's okay.
Where are you from?
I'm from Hartford.
You know, I have family from Hartford.
Yeah.
But anyways, now we have no time. The sun now we time. Alright, cool. So the members down there, they have some questions for you. My intention is to have you understand the kind of people they're on. Them say, this is what they said, you know. After I say, you see them question, well, I don't think them question I say about you. And them say, oh no, them just don't follow everybody else's questions. So, like me, I don't know. If you don't want to answer one question, then don't answer the question.
I can pass?
Yeah, man, I can pass.
Alright, good.
Alright. But also, you gotta tell me who you think asks what question.
Really? Oh, I don't know all of them.
Alright, cool. I will see how it
I won't be
works.
able to match personality with the questions yet.
I gotta tell you who me think though, although I know who, I gotta just try and mess with them where that is concerned. So, the first question. What is your sexual orientation?
What does that even mean?
If you're straight, gay,
I'm definitely straight.
I mean it's diverse, nothing wrong if people gay, right?
But I
know,
prefer the opposite.
Yeah, I know, but just like some people might think that question or we don't want to know about people's sexual orientation.
No, I just think everybody have a choice. Everybody's entitled to their choice. Mine is just the opposite sex.
So what do you think? Ask that question.
It's the first question on the paper?
The first question on the paper. You know, I really don't remember who wrote the first question though. But when them watch the video, I guess it will be exciting.
I think a female asked that.
You think a female asked this question?
Yes.
I don't want a female ask the second question, which is, are you a virgin?
I'm a...
Are you a virgin? I am guys. I am a virgin.
Yes, I'm a virgin.
We're all virgins here. Alright? So next question. Do you have a boyfriend? Make mom answer it for you?
Like, yes, just answer, yeah.
Yes, you have a boyfriend.
Okay.
The question not boring anyone. Boy. And you know, I said to them, say, I think these questions say a lot about personality. But then say no, because of the first question, them just not follow through. But people ask some other question when they're in line. It would be like, what does not belong?
Good.
But then, me I look at them right now and they're kind of uncomfortable for me. I don't know how they are treated over there, so.
Just go
Over there, number 4.
Okay.
Describe your type and your sex life. Me couldn't answer that question either. Like, we don't know how to answer that question.
Describe my type.
Probably the type of person you're that interested in, I guess. How nobody not ask something about acting?
Exactly, I'm like...
No, people have questions here were kind of related to acting. But anyways, describe your sex life, describe your type and your sex life.
Remember, I'm a virgin, so I don't have a sex life. I'm just attracted to ambitious people.
You're going to like the last questions.
Yes, I am attracted to somebody who's ambitious. I am attracted to persons who are goal-driven. And I'm actually, you know, some people them just say, I want this, I want that. And then you have the others that actually do.
I want to come out there, son. Come out there, son. I sweat a lot. So, alright, good. So what number are we at?
You were asking me at my type. I like ambitious people who can get things done.
Alright, good. On a scale of 1 to 10, how freaky are you?
I'm a virgin.
I don't know what this means. She's a virgin.
Know what that means.
You see how all on the question get messed up because you know ask a sensible question. That's some weird kind of people. Between me and some weird kind of people. People who can love but then they're seriously weird. As you notice, I'm mostly females, so you know a lot of these questions are coming from females, which kind of
is weird.
Weird.
Is.
Weird.
Okay.
Alright. Nice. Number 6. Is acting something you want to pursue long term?
Yes. I've always been dramatic.
All right.
Whether it be that I'm on set or I'm off. I'm expressive. And so I I tend to, I don't know, I'm just always, it's like I'm always in character mode.
Really?
Because me just always express, me just expressive.
I'm not nervous, guys. The time hot, right?
You sure?
You just at the time. Me have your on record now, so the time hot. Me hot. My hot. It's not nervous. My hot. How long me have video? Sure. I don't know nobody ask. Boy. Number 7, what is your favorite whatever? She's a virgin, so I don't think she has a favorite that. Alright?
Whatever, what does whatever represent in the question?
What is your favorite sex position?
Oh.
Moving on.
Moving on.
So this person asks, will you marry me? So just guess who asked that question?
You?
No. That's one how my answer so now I'd ask this question, but
will you marry me? I don't know who'd ask that though.
Guess and then think about the answer that I give the person.
A brand?
Alright, if I hear me assume to ask the question, what would your answer be?
I'm going to be very kind and I'm going to say
No. Yeah.
Nobody knows the future.
I don't think if a guy gets on his knees and say, will you marry me? And you say, honey, no one knows the future.
I think he got the answer right there.
Alright, cool.
It's a no.
I never say O'Brien, you know. Just
no, I'm saying yeah, it's a no.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Who asked?
No. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Graduating.
You're studying now?
Yes.
What are you studying?
I'm studying quantity surveying.
I don't know what that is.
Quantity surveying is a surveyor. Well, it's the act of surveying projects, land. It has to do with construction.
Alright, cool.
So I estimate project costs and all that.
But I try to think how that tie into acting. Yeah. I'm
versatile. Oh. I'm very charismatic.
May I ask based on the kind of person I be? So
no, I'm versatile. I grade myself and I think that I'm talented because I have more than one talent.
Alright. Not to stray too much, but could you try to find one character and ask if
impersonate?
Yeah, impersonate.
I'm not good at impersonation. Let's see.
Alright.
If it's not good, you're gonna have to take it out. You have to promise that.
Alright, yeah, definitely.
Okay.
A loyal wife. Those things are hard to find right now. So just give. Well, then I think I kind of look like that already.
I can select Tiffany Haddish or those people. I can do that.
I want to say hook about that boring.
So me say.
Okay.
I'm gonna go to the boy yard. You won't believe where the boy live. I'm sorry.
That's good. You think that good? On a grade there in the comments. So I 1 to 10. So alright, this you just tell you where do you see yourself in 5 years? Describe your ambitions. I think you answered that earlier.
My ambitions?
In the you were describing your type.
Oh, that's what I mean? Or they're asking about me?
No, I was just saying, based on your answer for this question, goal-driven persons to kind of describe your ambitions. Here, go get that kind of person. Huh?
Sometimes I'm reserved.
Mm-hmm.
My ambitions. I want to be successful. I want to be rich. I don't
have enough money then.
Me just want comfortable.
Okay.
You know? Because
you don't want one man to do that for you though? Or you just want to do it for yourself?
This is the thing. I will accept help.
No, not help, you know. As in one man, I do it for you because you're a woman.
But the man can't dead and only lad know him all the thing assets too. Me no want to be dropped back in one place because me that wholly and solely depend on somebody. Someone want to have something to myself that has my name underneath it. In the event that something should happen, I'm still safe.
Good ambitions.
Yeah.
Good ambitions.
Yeah.
So, last question. I'm going to tell you who asked this question. I still want to assume, I still want to guess who asked. Would you have my baby? Him never ask it like that. When him says, you that breed for me, that's how him say. But I just nice it up right also. Hold on.
I don't know who the person is, so I can't give an answer.
Just guess first. So it's definitely not O'Brien.
I'm not ready to have a baby.
But the person who asked the question wanted to ask this one first.
But isn't this unfair to me? Because I don't know who the person
Yeah, I know that is the whole point of it. It's supposed to be unfair to you.
Okay, so no, I will not marry you, and no, I cannot have your baby.
See, you answer the marry me question. So, nobody where you see, excluding myself, of course, me adjust the fly upon the wall or so. Nobody where you see. So, nobody where you see so far. Nothing if you want baby daddy like appearance. Just
I don't
appearance.
want a baby daddy.
Just everything you know, and baby daddy, husband, because the husband is still the baby daddy, right?
He's the father.
Yeah. The father. So nobody physically would I say, alright, you look good now on picture frame.
Oh my god.
Just guess. I don't think nobody heart a break.
It's gonna be hard because as Mr. Mina judge after physical features.
No, seriously, but this unfair to you because I told the person that they would not be exposed, but I gotta expose them if you guess one person. See? Everybody that is here, I say, listen, I show them my face on the camera and I said, you have a question for this face, write it right as well. See? You're not thinking unfair for them to ask these kind of questions of you. It's unfair, unfair. You think me about but the show must go on. So, guessing time. Who asked this question?
You know, say why I'm going to choose this person because I'm about my friend here.
The sex not exempt, you know. So it could be a female.
So, but I can't.
No, adopt or surrogate business or something, I don't know.
I want to adopt kids, you know? Just not with a female.
So if it's a female, it... But guess though.
This is crazy.
You know, I think you have one guess in your head. Alright, I tell them, where's my question? This is my question. Is acting something you want to pursue long term? That was my question.
I don't even want to call a name. I'm just saying this.
If this person is brave enough to ask this question, they should be ready for whatever answer is coming.
Okay.
I think so. And me around this show,
I'm not ready to have a baby. Not now.
Alright, so...
Me think Richard asks this?
No.
Okay.
I'm sure Richard question.
Yeah.
But you can't, when I show you, just
be blank?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, hold on. Remember some people question, I'm going to expose them.
But who asked this?
The man in the ropes.
I don't really know what I said, but then we could.
Seriously? So far to pick up that?
Richard
You're a good judge of character. You're a good judge of character.
Me just be smart and sorry.
So this one was from the Rasta lady, the brown Rasta lady.
Okay.
Who asked this again? The young lady that's right there, smoking.
Okay.
You got this one correct. Shh. You got this one correct.
I don't remember what I said, but I do remember.
Yeah. What is it? I don't know who asked this. I don't remember who asked this.
That person must be hella disappointed.
Oh, this. You can't guess who asked this? This was a female. It's connected to this. Alright, so I think that's it. Do you have any question for the entire? We give you some time to think about it. So one question for everybody.
One question for everybody?
We have to make it a little bit challenging, come on.
This is crazy. I don't think I have any questions.
Like if I were to ask everyone there one question. And what would I ask them, sir?
What?
What is the goal? What is everybody collectively? What is the goal? Because first someone asks a question like, I just randomly say, ask whatever question, they say, what is this about? and it
Which
brings that to
means
mind.
that-
So,
okay.
what is the goal? So, like me coming in an environment, everyone is filming, making movies, putting out content. What do you hope to achieve from all of this would be my question.
I sort of wanted to ask that, but I'm judging and assuming that everybody would say, it would equate to everybody wanting to be successful. So I was
Yes.
thinking that question it's rhetorical. So that's why I didn't want to ask that. Yeah, because
But we can personalize that question. So, probably that question I can be
you?
friends with.
Okay.
So, everybody wants to be successful, but everybody have their own personal thing.
Aspirations.
You understand?
Mhm.
So, like yourself, what would that be for you?
Where do I see myself?
Like in your own world, like what would be the goal, the end thing? Like at the end of the day,
where I am now.
Mhm.
Well, I must learn. I must learn, either be good or bad. Nobody wants anything bad to happen. In the event that a bad happens, because this is life and the reality is bad things do happen, I want to learn from it. I don't just want to get upset or get mad and all of this.
So knowledge is the thing for at the end of the day.
Yeah. I must be able to learn, and I must be able to what's the word? I must be able to implement what I've learned.
That's good.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, you settle with some knowledge. That's good.
Yeah, and I must be able to use it back. Like, why would I be learning something that I can't use?
So, in a sense, I think your question is, for all I know, what do you hope to achieve by doing this? Making movies, filming, all of that. At the end of the day, what the end game? When everything done, when you can't film no more, when you can't do everything you want to do now.
After the full stop.
Yeah, what comes after that? That is your question. So, how was it? It's our first day here, now. So you're in a position to put her in.
Exactly. It was very.
How was it?
It was unpredictable.
How it make you feel? Alright, forward. People are it. See two of
Targeted. I
See
feel
who of them.
targeted.
So look on them. So them and them ask a question. Who of them?
I can't believe y'all.
I hope you not call me name for my question.
No, you don't get exposed. Couple people get exposed, but not everybody.
Yeah.
So, I go ask everybody the same question. No, I forgot watch the video to find out the question that you asked.
How much answer? You answer?
Yeah, man, you answer.
No.
Jano, mama, if you do give me that day body, you know, give me a nice buzz, you know. You know, no more weed. You don't give me face more. Like that.
I'm not getting no more weed, bad man. I just give you a biz bag. And you not pay for the weed them. Last week me give you weed. Yesterday me give you weed. This morning up in 1 o'clock me give you weed, and just a while ago me give you weed. Brother, you're too greedy, brother. I'm paying for the man weed. Nah laughing no bad man. Acha.
And keep it changed too, you know.
Oi! What is? You still owe me. What is?
So how much more you? How much more you then? Much more you?
See, I write it down and it say you Huga. You owe 12 grand and you give me 5, so that's 7 grand that. You know what? See boss here. I'm gonna need it.
What go on, Rhea?
There in a couple. I have everything, you know. Guess what? Kinda short, you see. But watch out now. Can tell you what one, you see, it's one youth, you see, man. Me I tell you, say, be a foolish, you see, man, going and go round.
Yeah, how much you have now? You hear me now, Rhea?
Yeah.
You hear me now, Rhea? You say if I never Ricky or your father, you must deal with it like one of them regret the outer road, you know. But here, you're one good girl, you know. So I know you're going to put your thing together still, because you know. At first, I really come up short still, you know. First, I really come up short. I open another red board there when I see you sit down with, you know. Just open another red board there, you know. Because them board there, some boy love sit down and smoke weed, you know.
Yeah.
You see me? They love to sit down and smoke weed, but anyway, you're a place and you run it still, you know. Because you don't know, say, you know, and every one of them will really come up with their money same time still. So I'm not going to really pressure as when I say, first, you're really short. You see me? You're really short. So, as when I tell you, say, your father was a good man, you know. And it's a good to we went out young too, so I'm not going to really make you feel the end of the bargain, you see me? But here, put your thing together, everything now, man, you see me? Mess up yourself, man.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
Oh, Rhea! Watch out, man. I met this a shot, this a trip, you know. So just, you know if you deal with it, and you just put the rest upon that, and you know, that's how it come down, you see me? Yeah, man, let's go and run the place, man. Right now, I have to call the boss now and deal with the boss, because you don't know. You see me? You big up yourself here, man. You short, you hear that? One thing.
Mama, forward now. Later you get back your money. Forward, man. I move like you don't want forward, so.
Listen to me. I only deal with customers what pay me. Customers but take out the money said time when me take out the weed said time. You need to come off my sidewalk. You know see what I get brusky now. You want it? Get up, man.
You
and find something to do.
Say, me go look something to do with my life. Me are your customer. You may buy weed from. Where you want the weed for your life?
I don't want you to feel like a style, me a style you. Like a people things me I deal with, and me have to get out of it for food and for my education and for myself. Now, like you, with the and people things, and me have to use it for food. Me have to take out time for myself, for food, education, and myself. And I like you with the pants. And I like you when I work and do nothing. You need to get up and push yourself and try to something. Sit down on sidewalk is just a hobby. It's not a career, sir. Selling me never man. Say selling weed is a career either, but it's something me I do.
You can't tell me how to live my life. My life not affect you or nobody. You can't tell me how to live my life. I want to just smoke weed. Sit down and I will have vibes every day.
You know what?
Here, I'll get the money. Just give me weed.
You alright where you there. Just let me get my money so I can get the people them. I can get my part.
What go on, Peter? Yeah, man. Watch out now. The thing they go short, you know. Yeah, man, because watch out now. The little cat there when me have a hold it down on the south block. Yeah, Rhea. Yeah, man, she come up short, man. Anyway, at first she ever come up to short still, you know. She good, man. A good girl, man. We don't have to bump her off or nothing general. She good, man. I tell you, she good, man. You hear me I say no, Peter, man. She good. When I tell you, she good, she good. A long time she run this to me, you know, man.
Right, Miss Cross. Because I feel that
I don't have that, you know. I don't have it.
Right, man, but you do all alone and you need to...
Yes, I understand that. I understand that. So, yeah, yes, but that no means if we just raise it up. Hello?
Listen me, I never that me call on you so still, you know. If people them show done too quick, so I don't need to explain myself. And them,
Explain yourself why the show so why the show so short. Listen, don't take it up with the car.
Good evening, people. You know, it's Donovan.
Yeah. Yeah.
So is this actress is the problem why you don't get a longer film on the...
Yes, my boss. I true.
The director. She's shy, but listen, nothing going wrong with the director.
Okay, my general. Alright, my general.
The director is doing his work. You understand?
Yo, look on the yard the way I get. Look on the yard the way I get.
I've been done.
So, when I tell no lie upon you, are you see the people, or she do it?
I'm not tell no lie. Swear.
I don't know what
subscribe to my channel.
Okay. Tell them again.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Nicecon, Nicecon. That is my YouTube channel. Also, I'm an acrobat.
Oh, blur not. I do that for your channel, not you?
Yeah.
Alright, people, don't hear that, so.
Can I go over there?
I don't know, so yo. Hold on there. I don't know, so I can go over there, go check out. I can't manage it. I don't have it hard, my boss. Because anytime somebody feel like they go drop on the neck and things, so. But definitely go over there, go check out the channel, people. And this time, I tell you, no. Well, I don't know where I go. I want to do the long movie then. Soon get some long movie. In the meantime, big up on yourself. Like the video and make it this far, definitely like and subscribe for your first time. Until then, we soon up, we come more.
Look how long me tell about my business, eh? Look how long me tell us me want the ear, eh? I can't talk about look a bit on the ear. God knows me can't bother with you, you know, Kyle. Me can't bother with you. 2 or 3 months me tell about my thing, you know. You're supposed to save and put down money if you me something, you know. John, you see all you? You see if I win some woman, you get burnt till you're weak.
Bill, remember say food me for buy no man, the bill them have to pay no man. And I like say now get here, you know. Just can't buy the one right now. Because we are bills far with. Them baby.
Imagine, me of all person, you came here go embarrass me, eh? You know you make me feel shame up at Stacey a while ago. Jesus Christ, you don't know them the girl up there, so you know? When they don't take for me name and go scandal, so me man can come a shop if buy expensive ear and can't pay for it.
Remember so we have one little leakage in the bathroom, you know. I have to sort out that, you know. Plus they don't know we have look at other things to do in our house, you know. See all the fridge be even freeze. You have to start out doing something, and I like say, now get here, and baby, you just now get the one there right now. You know me love the same way. A roadside with the point and make a scene, baby. Really?
Love can put here upon my head.
But I know that baby, just hold out the man. You can sit by and go on a little bit. And I like say, now get here, you know. Everything alright, baby, man. The school, man.
A matter of fact, me no want it, me need it. And anyway, me no get it, me go in a thing. If you think I lie, me I tell you, watch here. Tired of everything, looking at the place, eh? Looking at it also in the house there. Look at the place, eh?
Babes, you know if you go and say, you know, until I say everything alright, you know. Look how you're going out the road, baby. Things are just take a little time now. I make sure you say alright, baby. Anything you ask, you go get it. Just calm down now, man. I know you didn't want to hear, man, but thing alright, man. Give me a little time, baby. And make sure you say everything alright for you. You hear that? Love the same way you're doing it, you're going, you know. And if you're going somewhere.
From me come here, so, from me there with you, I saw the place there until now. And you still tell me if you hold on. Hold on power. You don't bother with them in your life, you know. I'm tired of
You're
it.
going so. You touch, you know.
No.
Everything alright, you know. Just give me a good time, you know. Have a good faith now, you know. Yeah, move so. You know me love you. I just think kind of rough for me right now. I mean, I try, you know. So we just been able to talk now, so now, baby. Hold on. You take the call of the babes.
If you can't speak, I know, coming on, I'll come in here, girl, I'm call you.
Hello? Hello? Yes, sir. Boy, not really going good for me, I know, in my general. Everything I feel, you know, man, but I soon make a payment, man. I soon sort it out, yeah? Just give me a little time.
Why didn't you come and tell me that you have some problems?
Like sometimes, you know, man, we have money, you know, full of pride, you know, man. Jaja.
This is an organization, and either you come down to the bank quickly, or you're going to have to use your papers and leave some asset or something. So, do the right thing, okay, Mr. Kyle?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
3 months, I ain't not paying nothing for loan. Look at the place, you know, fix up. Worse, you got embarrassed me up at station shop. You know, say a fool you take me for. Fool you take me for. Hold on, power. No, you take me for one big idiot. No, ramping. Look here. You see everything in here, so? Remember, say I feel me money buy it now. You know, not even this year you can't buy put in the house. So the dresser, the fan, and the chair over there, so plus me iron. Me come back for everything.
Me know.
No worry yourself. Let go me back.
You really just do that, baby?
Take people for
You love them, baby, and Musa.
Love. Excuse me. Go love yourself right now. A better life me want.
Sandy, really?
I
You
need
really
a better life.
Sandy,
Bye.
where you go? Sandy. Yeah, God. Sandy, baby.
What a good man. Yo, me Jay, what I go on? Alright, yeah man, you can get the bima with the music with them man, but about the next half hour, you know, because they are car wash, you understand? Yeah. Don't worry yourself man. There's a 2 errands for run, collect 2 rent from some people in the park, right? So. And then man, check back on it and show it you. Alright? Alright, my general. Morning, Fallon. You have the money?
Rent money again, sir. As me pay rent who?
Listen, my man, me tell you say me go change the rent date.
Me no.
Your whole rent. Like me never tell you say me I change the date. Fallon, me tell you say me I move up the date. So you have to pay rent now. Did I not tell you? It's like I didn't tell you. I tell you that the rent will be earlier for this month.
Me want to go, that's why I put it at the last of the month. So every last of the month, me pay the rent, so me have time for the rest of the month if you can find the money.
Are you a rent me place or me a rent you place? You need to look into that.
But me still have to figure out how to pay the rent, how to get the money in.
I don't busy though you get the money, Fallon. You just get the money in time. I'm just gonna give you 2 more days.
2 more days, sir.
2 more days, Fallon.
2 more days no work so with rent.
You
And business place, people don't rent place like that. Plus, you have me in the back. Yes.
That is for security, Fallon. You have no reason to go there. That is not your concern. That is my security. Listen, my man. You're falling short, you know. You're really falling short. And I see people coming in and out. You're making money and you're falling short.
That means you're watching me business.
You have to watch me place.
You're watching me business. Mother Jesus. 2 days.
Alright.
2 days.
Don't worry yourself. Today I went.
You figure out it, you know.
Today I Tuesday. You see by Thursday, just make sure you have the money.
I will find it. By the hook or the crook, I will find it. I can't take the stress and problem with them rent. Them a dirty landlord.
Can't bother with them tenant.
Not even want to fix up the place. Dirty landlord. No, that not include tip. 15 for acrylic. Yeah. Current gone, you know, I no hot water. But unless you want the cold water, I still work with it, but you know, you want your little pampering. Missy J. I don't tell Missy JPS. I swear say I cut them a cut off like oh me Bridget. I mean I run this a time, you know. Me never did I run this a time, yeah. So I go and good girl in the pan today. See you not do no nails today, no money, no pay nothing.
What's that? You know, say I want money, me come borrow from you do.
Borrow money, you know them tell me. A pandemic, this is a pandemic, woman. You know them tell me you want borrow money.
I know me broke.
So if you borrow it, how you pay back?
I find a way to try to pay back money.
How you find a way? And you not work? So mama, you know no man?
Well, you know, so I have a look at one link still, but I just see just come and go and I'll do look at thing and something, but...
Alright, you have a link. Let me tell you one style. It's when you and him get together again. Tell him say you're pregnant. Tell him say you're pregnant. And the man nowadays they don't want no pitney, you know. You hear me say? So just him will give you one money if you go dash away, so you just use that the money there and do what you want to do. You hear me say? Because I don't have no money for any of them tell me a pandemic. The pandemic act. You have to know if you choppy line. You look so good. Because you look good like Naomi Campbell. Walk. If you start drive.
You know, say a true girl. You know, say a true, I'm going to try, man. I'm going to try.
Do it. It will work out. You have to work.
I don't know, say the thing that I can't check off a door, but they say not happy or something, so. We will link up, man. I just, you know, never go.
Alright. See how
Alright, later.
Later. Can't take them and sit me. Landlord come. Girl come. Friend come. I can't take it. Too much problem. Too much pressuring. But they are going to...
Jaja. Listen, my day, I'm J.
You know, for the item where you bring up the sale, brother, I want good piece of food, we get feet in that, but you know, the money there for you. Yeah, man, know yourself, alright, that's how we go. You see, another way we can make a peaceful food, you know, but, yo, whenever the man call link, no man, I would talk more about this, you understand?
Me link you later, sir.
Alright, brother.
Yeah, we Sunday I come for now. Hey babe. What happened to you? Make a sound so.
Yeah, girl, you don't know, say me left the one Kyle him. Me have to left up, me pack up my things and left, man. Pay things are gone.
You and Kyle?
How are you there?
Me do your peppers are going normal. Which way they? Then forward now. Forward, man. Forward. Me there. Alright, do what you do, man. Forward. Me there. You can't tell me now when they go on with you and Kyle. Just come. Come. Alright. That's weird.
Sunday, wait there. I don't know how to go.
Yeah, I don't know how to go.
You know, see, there's something you want to buy down there for me do, but I want to come up here, so back.
You know, so I not think me come back up here right now. Nothing so at all. By the way, what you did want?
Pregnancy test.
Mama?
Pregnancy test.
For yourself?
Yeah.
Give me your money.
Sandy! Come on, how are you go? You don't got my peppers, girl. So tell me now, girl, what happened? Your son terrible on the phone. I mean, no, that's not you. What go on?
You know, so me have to left the boy. Me left him, man. Me have to pack up me something and left this man.
Sure, can make a kind of Kyle, you're doing something good. So yeah, check.
Look here, that went good when the money did it. The money when did it when he might do that good. No money no did it again.
Girl, we'll have to. You must want something to drink.
Yeah, man, want cran water.
Alright, we'll have to.
This a can wash good, man. Yeah, man. I style like you take style, you know. Hey.
Girl, right now I don't know if you don't have money for paying the rent. Your life for pressure me right now, come next time I have to go a bank or borrow one loan or something. And you hold up then I get on call. You put up on hold. Somebody will come. Yes girl. What?
Actually, yeah, me I can't tell you, know, say me borrow your wig too, me I go in and go mash one crime and come back.
Really, that you ask me about, girl, I can't take you and go on. Just take what you want and just go on. But I want important car right now, so yeah.
Yeah man, alright.
Alright, cool. Right. Yeah, my friend called me.
Thanks. Come now, drink and tell me yours. But you know, come to think about it, be here all we have to say. And to be honest, you know, Sandy, me I tell you the truth, nobody begs.
So make it go on so.
Sound like say, the man did have everything, you know, remember say you used to tell me how at and all these things are money are run. But to me, it sound like as the money kind of they go low, you know how much you're ready for cut. Like a gold
Look
digging
like you not listen, or you not hear what me I say, good. You hear me just tell you say? Actually, you know, look here, you might see me, you know, and think say everything good. Recently, I pay mackerel the boy I feed me pan. Mackerel go, mackerel come.
Them you tell me say, good up, Kyle, you talk so good about. They feed you for mackerel.
Him same one.
And then, oh, so that's the reason why you know make the guy house, you know me can.
Come, me couldn't care you come this so. You know what he said? You always tell me say you want to come know which part me live. And me never care. Girl, you don't want to see in the house. Shame.
Joke yeah, make a turn the Kyle you're doing something good, so yeah.
Right now, you look like say a sex you want him, want me sex for hungry belly, you know. Me no want no gas.
You're rough. But at least you know so when you got a party, you know if you go back go look no man. Because you see the nice, fine figure and you take up yourself boy you want that the man there now. See it there, swell on you.
So clear, yeah, you rub that
No man, you know what I mean, friend. But I truth you know me plain. You understand?
You know, me come to stay neither, you know. Because I have to go back down with my people them. So me am going to make you know what is what between me and that boy there.
Nobody begs with me with that. But just when they talk my mind. But me know how the family things stay and the fact that you go live with man and all the wait all of that. Anyways, you guys your man you don't go live with man and sit now go back a family you one bag of drama out there for you. So if you want no link to no place for rent, we can make one link for you. Does it mean?
Alright, me call you funny.
Okay.
Talk bad someone. Talk bad.
Chaplain.
Ah, God. Yeah, man, there. You say, yeah, C-star. Go on easy.
No see a long time I don't see you, don't want to say you know.
You want to see me?
Come here, no see me miss you. I want to see you. From what day me I think about you or something.
You see, you miss me. Alright, so look here now. So just meet me in the town. Meet me in the town. Yeah, me pick you up, honestly.
Alright, cool.
Like, sitting now go on in the idea, yeah. But me wanna sweep me up so. No, let me kiss.
Can't bother no man. You know, so I miss you.
Oh man.
I don't want to go up to your hotel, but it's too far right now. We can go to the beach park.
Yeah, of course.
say a long time me link on something, but right now I don't even know how I did miss you. Come like you scarf me out.
Oh, so not really that, man. I'm not busy, you know. What does it mean?
I can't do something right here now, right here, sir.
Of course. Right now. And that's me put this condom here. Shit, the condom boss.
Officer smiling. You know what take place out of some?
You know, sir, they are pre-war going about because
you don't really know what going on.
I get the full info, and I mean the blueprint not really.
Alright. Hello.
Hi.
Do you know what's happening here?
No.
John no star. Everly. What go on? Do you know what's happening here?
Right, so making the best movies in the universe. Right, yes, so.
Yeah, but specifically that scene I may ask about though.
But just come.
Okay.
I'm new to this specific scene.
Okay, okay.
I'm something else.
Well, what more you up to from when?
Yeah.
You just there?
Yeah, I'm gonna buy some.
You buy more room? Can I get some? More?
But just young cup.
Yeah, I love how it tastes. You mix it perfect for me. Just care.
You know, I made a rum mixture.
Alright. See my property there, I always have my name on it, you know.
Hey, property this?
See my name on her. Look good, see if you see my name on her.
Shakaberry. What do you make a corn stone?
Hey people, we are going to see and go see what going on with them people. That's all. Officer don't know what going on. Friend here don't know what going on either. Missy here. Boy, they ain't hot in that place though.
I tell you, when you come on.
We're going up there, guys. Sagan, man always not have no shot. It ain't big good. So, how are you going on, sir? Where you feel?
What a movie name for you?
What you say? Hey, we have follow them until we find out what are going on, people. Because you figure out what going on still, no? Alright, we have follow them, people.
Come on there.
Come on, don't you see me? Shakaberry come. Alright, so we are going to find out what going on, people. In the meantime, just click like on the video and definitely subscribe. No thing go. December, so may have milk cup here as well.
No credit.
Oh, yeah, wait, man, I'm curious.
Come on.
Kemar! I'll get Kemar. Who we get hot?
Bro.
Come, we want to talk to you a little bit. What's up?
Talk to me.
No, G's and P's. Behave yourself, woman. Anyways, long time I not see you. What have you been up to? How the...
Since the last time we spoke, I don't know if you remember.
How find your
when
birthday?
I get a call for a job, I did the interview and they called me. I know I'm a front office agent at Sandals Negro.
So how has that been? How has that been?
It has been horrible.
So,
but guess what?
Come do some acting, man.
Which acting?
Yeah, do some more news reading and anything there.
I me come for still.
So you gonna do some of that today?
Yeah man, I'm going to do it.
But Everly, you're not dressed like a news lady, you know.
I have my jacket. Me not talk about no pit, but a pit no enough for the man. Me have like jacket to go over my shoulder.
So you have your suit up thing already?
Right.
So I got suit up this evening before I go?
I'm just gonna put my jacket on.
Alright, so we are gonna see our people suit up. And one next reminder for, as a matter of fact, you tell them, subscribe and like.
Poems by Everly Graham.
And yes, too.
Richard Brown Films and
yeah, so that video where them I watch, them for subscribe, yes, too.
please subscribe to this video.
Yes, thank you.
That's Akeem right there.
Yo, you're gonna make one bad thumbnail, you know. I swear them all click like worries. Just give them 2 poses now. 2 bad boy pose. Boy. One more. 2 boy. No, sir. Richard gonna have hard feet. Later. Yo. How you drive go?
You see the hungry thing
I'm not here curious as I need there now, so.
Same, sir?
They must want to best of act.
You come right now?
I don't know. Where you gonna buy food?
Hunger.
Where you gonna get food?
It's being hungry.
You rob somebody else? Alright, where you get food and come back then?
Yeah.
Alright, go get food. So people will get food in case curious not stop. We up best so we get some food and come back.
Agent.
I not top video, you know, Everly. Not top video. Because I know so they go love you in this video. You go hear them ask, who is that lady?
They know me. You did an interview with me.
Yeah, but I saw new people I know every time I subscribe. All the while, they always
You
subscribe.
didn't tell me?
Yeah, because always I tell them to subscribe, so I always have new people that subscribe. By the way, people, a couple of them didn't even show me earlier. A courtesy
My best friend.
Miss Everly here.
I got. I wanna laugh.
I made that wait for come on, road,
Are you
hungry.
married?
Who married?
I'm married too.
If who married?
Alright, that's
How we are asking them married? You still not drive it? Road. Later. So them are my boss, I say I want to get food, but them are shoot. Alright, straight up. Shakaberry people and I know I didn't get your name, miss. What's your name? Oh, I still don't know your name, people. Alton, this film. Rastaman.
So far there?
Kinda malot, isn't it?
Blood clot now.
Right now?
Too forward. Where forward go?
Talk to her.
Carry over this and shoot the one scene.
Selassie, right away, where forward?
Alright, Selassie, hero.
Work up before belly.
Yeah, of course.
Tragic. Coming from afar, we have to park the car. Yeah. Oh, guys, a fun night.
So quick shoot before food. So Alton, tell me about your plans for locks, you know. And turn real Rasta, man.
Don't afflict. This is not a humility.
So yeah, people, big boy, I plan to make one little transformation.
Yeah, I mean, we don't want hungry. We don't want hungry with the Rasta now. The Rasta are hungry, you know. Oh, too much food there. The Rasta are hungry.
Selassie, I know.
Food there to the limit.
Frost your blows and skirt, watch him.
You want out? I'm not so brave. Let me carry. No, no, look. Come on, carry. Right now, your bag, can your bag roll up? Some things in it? No. You should have one bag. Alright. Hold up.
Where are you going?
Huh? What is that? So you go carry bag, give me bag. What you are coming with it? You are coming with everything. You are alone, you are coming with everything. So you are coming in the bag and now. You are in the road. Me in the road, man. I will arrest, man. You are coming with the car now. You are just go to the road. Go to the car, take the car. Run me. Me and say, yo, here what? Me hungry. I guess I may have to see if I can get some food. So the boy come out to the car and pull me over the side of the road or whatever. She come. She goes to where you can't imagine so. I say hungry man hungry, so they have sitting there where you have. I say yo, come out, take them and sit and come out to the road. Come out to the road. That's simple man. That's not really a showcase for people. Yeah, come see everything we are doing. Hungry is a food I told. A food I told, I can't cross it. Eh? You go for candy. When you go for candy with it, you will take it from them. Yes. You just push out. Mommy later. I lost money having gas to go and go look up girl and save her life. Yeah, but you get the chiropractor and medicine. I say you can't have bag. In the last man, when I didn't know you remember save that in your bag, right? Take out it and give me some more that man. You struggle to back get one. You know what is the habit to my laugh. I am gone. Hungry man. You come out of the car now. Yes. Ready?
Come out the road, man. Let me say that.
Come back. Let us some food. Some food. Food. Food, man. Food. Food. Hungry. You know that food. Hungry man. Hungry. Food. Come out the road. Come out the road.
I say this boss is saying hungry too. Boss is saying hungry too. Man say no come out the road.
Hold on. You been there, Karen? Come on. Come on there.
Come out the road, people. How is the road? Hungry daddy. How much money buy?
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So good afternoon. What time of day is it now? I'm not going to waste no time. I find one nice young lady to talk to, so we're inquisitive in our business. Because she's a part of the Richard Brown Films team. So we're going to fast in our business, find out what we can about her. So there she is, people. The beautiful Amanda. So Amanda, where are you from, first of all?
I'm from Clarendon.
Where in Clarendon?
Maybe in Clarendon, I stay in Maypin sometimes, and I play in Jamesville sometimes.
Alright, because I know say your friends say Clarendon, all of people over here say Clarendon bad place. So, I just go allow the person who come from Clarendon to tell me about them experience with Clarendon. So, make we begin right there. Tell me about Clarendon, where
Clarendon
you live.
no bad. Clarendon no bad.
Hold on. Oh boy, me wouldn't defend my place, so, but me different. But I guess everybody else are different in place regardless. But
every time when you keep up the topic.
But alright, hold on now. Clarendon don't bad. Zine, tell me some of my good things about Clarendon.
Good things them.
Talk loud so them can hear.
Good things about Clarendon now. Me enjoy Clarendon, peace. To me, when you say bad no bad. I live at one place, quiet and safety. I'm not in a trouble, I'm not in a wrongdoings. So, if anybody will not do that, you're not going to find it's a bad place.
Alright then, but you would agree, say, Clarendon is one of them places where we have be a sickhead people. You don't agree with that though, not true?
Clarendon's a no
I can't beat it. Your place, you have to defend your
Clarendon
place.
is a no nonsense place. I just that, I that about it. I don't want bad place.
Alright, cool. Well, come on for the Clarendon thing now. So, movies. How long have you been passionate about acting and doing movies?
Passionate. From high school days.
What high school was that?
I attended Edwin Allen High School.
Edwin Allen?
Yes, the Edwin Allen High School.
So them have like drama class and them something?
Yes, theater art.
So you have no, like no, I don't know, no training or no program for acting on you usually go on?
Yes.
So tell me a little bit about that now.
Normally go to JCDC for acting. Go to JCDC for dancing. Edwin Allen have a whole combination of things to itself. One of the best school, Edwin Allen.
Alright, that is debatable because mother said man in school are the best school now. Me have to defend my school, I'm to you.
Yeah, idiot.
Me have to defend my school. Alright, tell me what makes your school Edwin Allen so special. What makes Edwin Allen the best school in Jamaica? Tell me. May I get opportunity? Tell me.
Edwin Allen, they have a great team, a great staff to help all kids and every kids. You understand? Everything combined at Edwin Allen. Opportunities at Edwin Allen. When you go, you take up your book and you have a talent, you have a skill, then push you. Then you just make you stay at one place.
Alright, so you see how the staff at Edwin Allen now make Edwin Allen the best high school. Alright, cool. Me would say the reason why man in school are the best is because not just the culture, as in say be a white pitney used to go there and the history and we don't beat it, we have to defend with things. So, alright, you started at Edwin Allen. After there, you do any kind of acting apart from with Richard Brown?
No, I didn't.
So, last question now, before I make you just go down in I think tell about your Instagram and all of that. How has the experience been for you with Richard Brown? How has the experience been from you just got here until now?
The experience was amazing. Everybody work as one, you don't feel left out. You just come like one family. You're comfortable, you can be yourself because in acting you just can't be yourself. And you can't be yourself in a Richard Brown film.
I like how that sound. I think we have one last question. Oh, your Instagram. Tell your Instagram.
You can follow me on IG on Jessica Thomas 3695.
Alright, I hear that people. So I don't know if I left out no question. Oh, you have one man? No people want to know that.
If me have one man,
yeah.
Man shot. I don't have no man now. Jamaican man just
you're single now?
Yeah, single.
What? Me knows you know. Why you single?
Oh, Jesus Christ. I go on my business no man.
I'm not going to further than that. I just want to know, as me certain people in my watch, I want to know why you're single.
Single because I'm single. I'm in a relationship.
Alright, Amanda, but I don't pressure you no longer. Thank you for coming out here with me. I get people and see you hug me up. I'm going to get a nice hug up from Amanda. The nice background. And you plan to come back on some acting?
Of course, most definitely.
She'll leave today, so I'm going to miss her already. You make no friends? Tell them about the friend them you make.
Meet Bieber.
You meet Rastafari. Tell about Bieber.
Bieber straightforward. Otherwise, as Eve, straightforward. Jovial. You can't run Bieber and you have one face like this. You get no problem.
But differently do you know, sometimes I can't stand her. Sometimes I can't stand her.
If you can't stand her, you sit her because you have to just live with it or you're dead with it.
Wait, say I can't stand her, I sit her?
You sit her. If you can't stand her, you just sit her.
I love her, man. I IG that. Bieber, big up yourself. So, I hear from the nice Amanda how long she has loved acting, where all that I come from, and hold on there. Hold on something upon me there. Let me see who this is calling me. Mr. Richard Brown himself. Where you say now, Mr. Brown? Up a golf course. Yeah, alright, we're soon forward now. So, Mr. Richard Brown on the phone, people. I don't want to bust a game. So thank you. Yeah, I do one video, but we are going to use it night same. Can you call me and I make live video? Alright, we are forward right now. Mr. Brown can't hurry me. I'm not going nowhere, right? That's how we are still. Tell them to subscribe, Amanda.
Can.
Tell them to subscribe to Akin. Then we do it if you tell them.
Subscribe to Akin.
And like the video, yeah.
Share, comment, support. Just support the team. Everybody I trying people.
And we'll get some banger photos video right here so you know before you go. So look. How that look?
Right there.
Yeah. So tell them bye, come back on the camera. See you next time. A joke. And thank you people, thank you for 3,000 plus subscribers. Don't worry on yourself. Me have entertaining stuff coming up. I don't want to say full-length movies because I don't tell you how that go in our previous videos, but stay tuned for some entertaining, immersive content later.
When night come, can go on my bed and so what's next on the agenda? Like we keep my mind active.
Yeah, we can do something else. How about some cards?
You ready for me to take money upon poker?
Let's see what you got.
Alright. I'll be the dealer.
Where's your money?
Kenny Rogers says, don't keep your money at the table. I got it right here. Bet or check?
Check.
Check. Bet your 10.
See it.
Check. Check, you really check this up? Everything now.
Alright, let me see what did this one. Well,
time.
2 pairs. This is where I bet fun.
It's called bluffing.
Yeah, man.
True, me know you always do this. You always want to take home a little bit of money, so me not bring a light come. Sure, me done with poker now. What next? Drinking games. What we have on the agenda?
How about truth or dare?
Truth or dare? I'm gonna run with truth or dare, you know. You sure I can handle it?
It's just fun. Like, you sure you can manage it?
Alright. So you will go first then. Truth or dare?
Truth.
I know you that goes so soft, you know. But I still have one for you. Be honest with me. Which Jamaican celebrity right now, if they forward yourself, you'd have put it on them?
Yeah.
Right now, who?
Papi. Probably Dexter too. One and few.
Mr. Dubs can get it anytime, yes? Poppy. Alright, fine. My turn. Let's see what you got.
Truth or dare?
Dare. I'm gonna
Okay.
sound like you.
Okay. Dare. Alright. Me want you right now for 620x. Let me tell you which one. Jason.
Jason? The devil's pitney himself? May I do it still? Alright, you have any suggestions about the message?
That's all you, sis.
Don't ask.
Okay. My turn.
Yes, your turn. And I'm not partial over there right now. It's time for really play the game. Are you ready? Truth or dare?
Alright, fine. It's fun, right? Dare. And hit me with your best shot.
Trust me, it's not my best, but you'll definitely remember it. Here goes. I want you to cheat on your boyfriend, Brad, and tell him.
Wow. Okay, but Brad is cool, so he'll understand. Who with? Or with who?
Alright. It's all fun, right? With your sexy neighbor.
George.
Mm-hmm.
I've been wanting to do it with George. It's gonna be fun. Alright.
Jason responded. And this is very interesting, but this will be next time. We'll focus on your dear now.
Yeah. I got a dare to get to, so I'm gonna go. Hi, George.
Hello, who is this?
This is Shan, your neighbor. Is this Miss Williams?
This is she.
I'm calling from the hospital. I had it. I just didn't have a reason to use it until now.
So, what's the reason you have to be using it now?
Pick me up at 12. Pick me up at 2.
At 2?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, see you then.
See you then. So we've been neighbors for a while now, a couple years, and I like what I see, but you never make a move yet. So me decide to make the first step.
The first step. I'm glad I made the first step so we can get to the second step. We can't make my move and I know say in a relationship, so how that part I go?
I am in a relationship, but I'm not looking at next relationship. I'm just looking to have a good time.
You want to have a good time? A good time I gonna get. Meanwhile, I'll wait on the food. I get to know each other. How you like the bus stop? That was amazing. So, when we can do this again?
Again? Remember, I have a man, you know. This is just a one-time thing. As a matter of fact, bring me home before my man reach. You're home early.
Why I have to left work early today to come see you.
Well, good, because I have something special for you. I cook some food, go and take a shower, and come join me.
Sure.
Oh, by the way, when you come out, I have something to talk to you about. Wait. Before anything, we have to talk. I have to tell you something. Kate and I had a bet. And it was for me to have sex with somebody else. And I did it.
What the fuck?
What do you mean, what the it was just fun. It was just fun and games and it was all over, but I'm just letting you know that it happened. What do you mean it was just fun? It was Brad. So,
What?
guess what? I did it.
No, I didn't know you had it in you. So how was it?
It was fun, but Brad's better.
So what about the second part?
Of course I told him. He's a little bit upset about it, but I think he's trying to make it work. We'll see.
You're playing with fire. You're such a bad one, but okay.
But it's fun.
Right? I know, right? So much fun.
So, it's getting kind of late. Can you buy us dinner? Brad cut off all my cards. Cut off all my cash flow, basically. He said it's some kind of a punishment, but it'll just be like for a couple of weeks or so.
Okay. Let's go get dinner then.
Yay! We're great. Okay.
Sorry I took so long to come, but it's because it's so early. What are you doing here so early?
I could barely sleep last night. Brad cut off the electricity in the house, and there's no food. So I'm kind of stink right now. Oh, we can't wash. He's cut off the electricity for like a couple days now. So can I do some laundry? Take a shower?
What? So, if there's no electricity or water there, how is Brad staying there?
He has a new house, but it's okay. I'll move in soon. He's just punishing me right now.
Are you sure? This is kind of getting a bit serious. First no money, now no electricity. Are you sure everything is
okay? It's gonna be fine. It's not like it's the first time. So, let's go in.
Okay.
I can believe the Brad actually put me out. Yeah, I know, right? Saying he can't make it work after all. He was trying, but he can't. I know, right? He can't take a joke. So I know you're out of town, but did you leave the keys? Can I go over there? All right. All right. In that case, it's your turn. Truth or dare?
What I go? Big up on yourself. Now, yes, me know it done too quick, but this are the longest one so far, and because we get a little bit more support each time, yeah, we try to limit the amount of people we use because, as me say, the resources. So, yeah, me now I tell yourself for your first time over here, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you're there for a long time, just leave a like on the video. And if you're first time to leave a like, do all the good things them to make the video get more traction, so you can afford to probably turn this into a series. And until then, little more. And big up the members them. I'm encouraging more people to become members. Please, there'll be a link in the description. Until now, or until then, it's gonna look more. Yes. Action.
I got a dare to get.
No, yeah.
Say, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Action.
Yeah. I got a dare to get to, so I'm gonna go.
Action.
Yeah.
Action. Action.
So, natural.
Wait, that was too quick. That was too quick.
For fire?
Yeah, that was too quick, Akin.
You see what you were like, oh.
Alright, in that case, truth or dare? No, it's your turn.
Your turn. Ready?
So, yeah, that.
So no, because if you look funny, you have to know, man. No,
Alright.
you have to know.
Go make
After
it. Go make
Papa, run for now.
No, like this. Make that stitch.
No, man, just run more and catch you run. Run too. Oh, but you shot or show, so. How if you show from so far?
Let me shot, man. Man, now we show up shot, no, man.
Alright, show up shot and come back.
Shoot that part here.
Come on.
Use piece of close spin and pin up here. No ball.
Come back right here. Hold him up first and then let him go. Come back right here. I'll try the hide on. No, Alton, come back and see the brother. Come here. Alton, just turn over it and I'm start pressing to hold you up. And then you go back there. Come back here. Come hold him up.
You think I like this, Ramos?
What? What?
No bother start. Just catch one.
Come hold him back here. Come hold him up, Alton. I waste the time to shoot back at time.
I don't know, waste of time. Just catch something.
So I'm saying,
you make you hold your back.
Alton,
I catch it close, look how wide me there shoot a while ago, just make you hold your back, no man.
Alton,
Alton, feel good, okay, best. You feel good. No, I don't feel no best. You have a feel them. But go on.
Alton.
Right, Alton, tell me that's a big boy.
Yeah.
Big boy. I said about that too much.
So that's our name?
Yeah, but a big boy.
Yeah, big boy.
Yeah, come, get closer, come.
Tap one, someone.
Alright.
No, look for me.
Stop laugh. I mean, I get
no. You can't buy make it that. Like a blood clot. No, but you want to look for me. Look for you. Ready?
Come, you talk to him. Let him, hug him up and let him go and talk to him.
Run for me now.
Talk to him now, you grab him back.
Big boy. Big boy. You know, long boy. You big boy. Big boy. You know, long boy. Big boy. Big boy. Big boy. You know, long boy, you can? You can't do it, you
have key already.
That's a key and come to me, man.
No, you're looking yourself. No, looking.
You body him up, you
Yo,
know.
you made dead now, you know.
You ain't can't.
Yo, you want now. When you see me now running now, where we no guy on a bomber board? I made there now, you know. Just get take it up.
Body,
made there. I'm the one coming off here, you know. Yo, which can they have? I'm going to mash up around here.
You tell about Kira.
I tell you, man, I'm going to mash up our candy, you know. You know me? Aye. You know, I let me out of saying
I mean, I'm blah blah.
Blah blah.
From Flanker, you're bad girl.
Yeah, man. Step on, but not laugh. If you laugh, you're not going to afraid of you.
They are Flanker.
Big up Flanker.
What he had?
Flanker bad place, but you call it.
What he had?
We have something to say. We may body more.
What am I doing?
Why you know?
He might run. When do I love it? You wanna hide never there? You wanna hide?
Yes.
When I hide? Yo, what my call you? Where you wanna hide for? Yo, what? What me look good? Dirty dog, me look good. Me run for me, you know, yo, me say, yo, me when the place I'm in blood, you know, me know mash up out here, you know. Yo, listen, it's fun come up now, I'm dead. Yeah, I'm dead. So when me see you, when me call you, you come. You need to come check me too. Me don't need to come and come check for you, you know, more you come check for me, because me mash up out. Let's go.
Yeah, we don't have to walk to look for you, you know.
Yeah, man.
Body up.
But I can make you know,
we know you bad up people, you know.
You ready? Body up. Let's go.
Richie, you spoon in your phone now.
Eh?
You spoon in your iPhone making a video.
Don't catch me.
Oh, you don't just put it, go for it.
Don't catch what?
I tell Akim don't catch this. I'll be any sins, madam.
Let's go.
What am I not catch?
You come with a well catch yourself.
This, don't catch this.
Catch a Japan.
Oh.
Show him a show somebody.
Like Japan.
Like that.
Line.
Like Japan.
I'll show you like it. Like can't manage that now. That time, listen.
Lady, me gonna give you a piece of your show. See my chicken me here.
Voila. You know, man. Take it to them now.
Make it hold up, because I spend a second. When you hold them, you know, that's the start back.
Go back all night. Then. Start back over. Just take it back over. You come on the corner. Just hold it come on.
You know matter, just one.
Come on the corner. Don't make no mistake. Don't make no mistake.
Yeah, better start back for
No, go back. No mistake. Don't make no mistake. One chop. Come. You know we are there. We never tell her to do again.
And if you shut up, my mother, grab me in chest.
Remember the whole thing is, you know, if I find enough run for you and him die now. You know, I say
Right,
one
yes,
time,
sir.
take a time, say, come run for him now. Okay, I look for your man.
Hold on. This one I'm going.
So, let me tell you, I tell you my story. Let me see now, we cut. No cut none at all. No take no break. Now look for a number, the 2 yards. Stop.
If you feel like you looking there, Richie, no cut. Yeah, I nasty straight. So you know which direction you are looking. Sometimes I like it to look by you, now look by you. Wipe off your lens. Wipe off your lens.
No cut here, here, Spoony.
Don't stop record, just record. Subscribe.
Big up yourself, General.
Subscribe.
Blow.
Ask more say, so what you want to name in that movie? I must say blow. You say, oh, blow, no. Blow.
Come on, Harry. Ready? One, you know, big man. No laugh.
Big boy. Literally, hold on. The van there pass.
You pass.
Like your money boy.
Ready now, action.
Big boy. Come on, man. We are running, boy. Come on, man. Come. We are running, boy.
Blow. Relax the blow.
When we come back now, you know, and we see me see a panel down here. Eh? We Skira. Hey, boy, know what you do, you know, boy. Know what you do. They come back now, you know. I what? Eh? Me don't look good. You don't see me bleach out. Me black when me left here, you know. We come back for you now. So try to let the girl say left. And me mash up for you in face. You know what I say? And yo, you know where me live? Don't make me come look for you. You see next time? Man, hey, know what you do. You mean relax up, bro. Don't ball to me, man. Yo, there's know what you do. You hear me say? A flank can come from, you know? You're a bad girl. No rampant man. Yeah. Yeah, so try run with the girl then.
No, we know you dry out. So,
I'm here now. No, so you look at me. Hug me up. Hug me back, come on. Hug me back, come on. You're walking away.
I hold on and see.
Yeah. Come on.
Alright.
I'm send me a shop. Yo, you're coming in here. No, let them watch for me.
Yo. I'm here there now, you know. So you and that the girl in no more relationship. I'm here there. Yo, come on. Come on, don't yard with it. Come on, boy, come on. Don't yard with it.
I shop me, I go, mommy send me a shop.
Come on, boy. Come on, don't yard.
I'm smart, I'll tell you, big ass here. Come back, we're walking to the You see, I'm one name, people on the truck, man. Yeah, that one, but everybody let me have shoot it close. Come back. Stop walking up on the man, we're tired for your cut and come on, people are going to walk, I say go.
No, brother. Stay behind the camera, just stand behind the camera.
That's true, with it. No, brother, if you know, so we are shoot, brother. Tired,
Hang her up, I'll tell her foolishness, boy. Come again.
Come on.
See, they will have momentum, God.
Come again.
Now if you turn back the camera here.
We don't come on. They're not pulling me now. After the command.
Come on, boy. Come on.
Stop that, sir. No, stop, sir. You go outside. You're chicken now. Chicken move. You have a chicken now. One pee-pee. Blah, blah. I'm piss by you now. I'm going to go here.
You want to go by your road?
You can't go my yard. You have to come back over, sir. You're using friend of mine, sir, now.
Who that?
Popeye. Chucky.
Chucky.
Yeah.
Go call Chucky.
Go call Chucky.
I don't want to go Chucky.
Move. Come on, outside.
Make him go first. Make him go my yard first. When you my yard first, you know, go.
Everybody come now here. Where's where the dog yours?
After I run go my yard, I know. After that, no. Popeye go over there and link him. That's what I'm going.
So what? She actually call up Popeye?
No. She go out there, a bleach pan him. And the Popeye walk past over there. And he say, now come out first idea. So the Popeye come back home and come and say, man, come back over here. Now go come here to tie them to play them. By the time come on with someone who tells you, yo. Mama, I will Popeye now and say, yo. What big boy? Yeah, but that's sometimes I work for you know. Boy, call what man, because I never see you about it. Yes, so it's bad Popeye, so it's bad thing now when you bad Popeye. When you see Popeye, yeah, say, no, me, I blow. I not see me blow now, you know. Him Popeye remember him now, so blow. Let's beat me all the time when I go to school, I take my lunch money and say, where they are? You think that cops? Come back. So we want to know, you are a big boy. So if you're a big boy, are you know?
Come back, I'm sorry.
If you want me, if you're there, because I big boy alone on me there, you know, because just one man.
No, man, you get big boy.
You know, what you get big boy? Go for big boy, please. Now,
Tony, we have video there. And he said, don't cut the speed picture from wherever we are going to say you can't go. No, it's rules now.
Behind the scenes,
Yeah, you cannot do it.
oh, you can do so behind the scenes, but you see what's
I already know. When you read right, I like treat the same one, say, you don't have to get them.
I'm going to make him one.
How much you for? How much you for? Huh?
Come on. Come on. Come on, don't be out there. Go on and come on, you're rape playing a boy. So allow me out to start with.
Alright, that's me.
All up on people.
Don't move out, don't move. No, man, come back, make it sharp. Sorry, come back to that door. Go back same place. Go. Come back. Subscribe people, if you are worship.
Popeye.
Hurry up. Now wait for your boy. So long we talk about wait for you. So long. All the people boy. I just want me to come on, run off.
You wait.
I'm run off.
Don't run off. To the right, just. I see you now.
That boy, big boy.
Yeah.
And call out Chucky. I know, Chucky have to come out at the same time. Chucky! You're so free, Chucky. One Papaya come out at the same time.
Papaya la fai.
Papaya, where are the swap? Alright, my laptop online. As you then talking. Oh, let me phone this time. I get the one from there. I'll check out how much you got on phone for a fight? Not iPhone, man. No, my phone. Like Samsung. Ready? Come, over here. Yeah.
Oh, what go on there, so? Yes, I come. So wait, swallow you. What is there?
Come on, you can't tell me say no.
This is a love.
Wait.
Already?
Hug up, man, and touch up in the wire.
Alton Garden. How which one a big boy them this?
What happened to know it? Ready?
So people, I'm gonna update. I like Masika say, give them an update. So I guess it's a season 2 of Big Boy. Woman a fight over Chucky, so Chucky finally get a girlfriend as on the want. See people, remember to subscribe, AV channel, always a going to the latest where Richard Brown Films, Jamwood City, Paradise Nation, all of the latest. So I'm going to what I call this now. Kind of perspective, this first person perspective.
Make it be the same time. Make it be the same time.
Them a fight. When I'm a fight over Chucky. Oh, so I'm not fight over man. Come again. Where's Jutta?
If you put on the part there, you say, you remember what you do? I say, hey boy.
Where's Jutta? Where's Jutta? Jutta! Oh, you're on there. Come again. Come.
I've never seen these actresses before, people. So I guess I'm new in our place.
When they come, so you want to come, I want to out there fight over. One can say Chucky, two can say Chucky one time. One can say Chucky one time. Chucky!
I'm sorry, Richard Brown, little brother, this is
Spoonie.
And then you done.
Alton Garden, don't know, cousin to Richard Brown.
Come again.
Oh. Yeah.
See people, season 2, Big Boy.
Ready?
I cannot fight this still.
But when I'm at I want you to fight over. Jump,
Una do it, then you want to look up same time one to say Chucky one time. Yeah? Chucky one time.
What's follows?
So Chucky.
Chucky.
Right. Action.
But when I'm at you fight over. Chucky.
No. Pause. Stop fighting. Chucky. Girl, what you want to eat?
Papa, where they must go?
They must fight over the good something.
No people may watch me at all.
Oh, subscribe me people. Subscribe. See this nice pretty girl over here? Yeah, subscribe.
Hey, them a fight over?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know they will fight over me for.
Just to confirm, this is season 2, big boy, right?
Yeah, but we don't know which part in season 2. But it's season 2 coming to you guys. And we are not going to stop it. We are going to give it to you.
Alright, my boss.
What is it? I'm going to buy food.
One, two, three, Chucky. 1, 2, 3, Chucky. Ready? Alright, ready, fight.
Pass your sweat.
1, 2, 3, Chucky.
Chucky.
No, Mr. Fight. Alright, stop.
Alright, listen here.
You look somewhere there, so I get tired.
What kind of food you want? Chicken? Breast? Leg and thigh?
Miss Shakaberry Madness. Don't know if you have a YouTube channel for yourself as well, people, so I can go over there go show her some love. Recently celebrated her birthday as well.
Sir!
Good.
Don't worry.
Come in.
Don't worry, don't worry.
You can't do this, Papa. You know how fight stay me?
Yes, you're fighting. That's all our movie do. That's all our movie do. You have to be there. You can't go into the alarm.
How old is?
No, we just wake up.
Oh, the God.
Nice. Action, fight.
Papa, I can't find him, daddy.
Wow, yeah, when you talk to us, you really feel.
It look like they find him now, people. Oh, see you next, what's that?
Come on, fight. Big girl, let me fight. Fight, Daddy.
I don't know you. Let me have to serve for some. No, you have to ask fire women to say.
If it's on the water, throw some water.
No, man.
I saw pure.
If you don't listen to fire say, now I got tie up good, man. I have to listen to fire say, brother. But I don't know what you say.
That's Papa fish and meet them.
No, make an ask fire, man. You ask fire, you're right here, man.
Are you football with me?
Curious is the master of stories. You understand, Alton?
Huh?
Curious is the master of stories, so tie up the stories.
Yeah. But I even say it, I don't know what you say.
Let me come back and
It's still a nice shot, man. You can still a nice shot.
You come and part them, Shaka go come back out and shop and say, yeah man, we're not woman man, we need to do better than that and sit and run the man.
You say, you know what?
You tell them, I'm not woman and I'm woman, you know, look good.
So the next amazing thing about being in this space when they're filming, guys, is that, you know, myself as a filmmaker, I can learn. So whenever mistakes are made, you can learn from those mistakes. And of course, a whole heap of things I learn. I learn a lot of things whilst in this space that I will not be able to disseminate right now, but definitely in the future, man. So make sure you subscribe over here and to Lux Movie Channel. Like shooting about to start again.
Papa, if you say anyone I don't know when only I get me.
Daddy tell them anyone of them win and them a make me. But me know the bag of one win.
You ready? Yeah. Alright, this one, right this one. Right. That's a very nice.
Alright.
Hold on, go across the car. Go across the car.
Come on, man, you can understand. You must conduct it. No matter what we try, you must conduct it. That's why you not send a bell.
Jutta, you there front? Jutta, you are there front. Fight. Action.
Yo, no man, you can't do it. You can't. My gonna say I take care of girl, you. Yeah, any one of them win daddy, but we don't want it. Any one of them win. No man, no go on no man. No go on no man. You girl don't come back. Go on. Wait. What for? No.
Come on, stages, man.
Can't stay it, it's too short. No.
Fight, you come break up a fight.
Yeah, I want to fight for you.
You come break up a fight. Another. Hold them so there. I said, girl, come fight for my man. You can't sit over there. You sit over there.
Actually, it's a bit too far out that camera.
Look at me now. Don't tap that, man. I know I'm a one boy, so I feel proud as a father, you know. And as I go out. Where you live? You go, so. You go, so.
What's your
son? You go,
son.
Enough to fight.
Alright, then. Come on, ready.
Yeah?
Come, Papa. If you want to shift them way, come, Papa.
You can send me there with him from his birthday. When he come over, you're there with him from his birthday. You're there with him from before him born. Yeah? You hear me say? You don't say that. Come.
Yeah,
come again. Come again, man. Fight.
So director, Mr. Garden.
Me catch up. But you can't stand up at the door and look. Run back. Fight, man. Literal fight. You know what? I want energy night, man. Let me say action, more energy night. Go on more, Jutta. Go up, man. Jutta. Go up. Ready now. Walk up, Jutta. Action.
Yo, no man, you can't fight my youth. I want to do that, you can't do that, man. Yeah. Yo, I'm a son still, I'm feel proud of you, but you can't. Let's say I take care of a girl in my youth. Yeah, take care of what we don't want, this one. Yo, you can't.
Stop, don't.
You can't say no one, this one.
Hold on,
Yeah.
School move. You are going to say though, me there with him from Chucky's birthday, and he come and walk and take me, man. That's all it is.
Close hands. Yeah.
Look on him. Him actually. Hungry. Yeah,
Me, I have blow too.
Yes. They with him from
No, blow no, I say.
they with him from his birthday, and the girl want to take me, man.
Yeah.
I have blue and tired.
Simple.
Ready.
Simple.
Ready.
You're tired, you know.
You're fair blow, yeah.
Just done
yeah.
fight.
Serious. Ready.
Ready. Give me a look, man. You're mad, you know. I'm not telling you.
Me there with him for his birthday and the girl walk out take me, man.
You girl, you can't do that, man.
Me there with him for his
You know. Hungry, man. Hungry yourself.
A girl, you mad.
You are lick again. Come on.
10 for the overeating. Oh, calm down, man.
But me there with him for his band.
Yo, hear me, man. Say, you go. Yeah.
Me know it too on there with him.
Yeah.
Ray, but you know look good. Ray. Understand? I'm a boy, I love him, proud of him. Come again. Bring them closer. Action.
You're not fair fight, man. I'm a boy, you know. I'm feel proud of you.
With the energy, no, man. You have to keep up with the energy. No, don't say no. Just that.
Punch you,
energy, man. Energy.
More on me case for the pink, man.
Big bomb clock paint that up. Come on.
On me case.
Come again. Your father, I know, man. Ready?
I'm done, man. I'm a son still, you know. I'm a proud of him still, you know, but you're not fine.
Sabron, how are you going, sir?
Alright, so basically what we are doing, apart from all the great films that we put on Richard Brown Films, we just came up with the idea that we might just start doing some films where we can put out faster so people can get them to watch. They're called uncut. They're not as polished and as well shot as the other films. We just boom, put them together and put them out. But you don't know, uncut, Richard Brown Films.
Alright, cool. I will see what going on. So make you run with the woman around in the house a while ago, so?
She want to lick me.
Oh,
My mother, she want to beat me out.
Oh, cool.
Beat life out of me.
See, I'm unruly daughter, not sure?
And Shammy hood.
So your daughter you get, daddy you get for your genes from, not mommy do?
You take me and everything. Father side.
Yeah.
Father. And the unruly. Mommy, I love you. Love you too, Dasha. Thank you.
Put you on a sir.
I'm not ready for you yet, mama.
Are you going to go pick up?
Ain't good, man. That's why I see what go on. Big boy out the entire.
Yeah,
Alright. Yeah, we are shoot big boy.
Who's so pretty? Eh? Who's so pretty? Eh? Who is this?
Hey girl, come on. Come on. Fucking around here, ramp with the thing. Come here. You can't keep with that well, keep with that while ago. No, can't make sense. Don't do that, man. Don't play the man. Look what, who there on the bomb boss if you take a ball keeping with you?
But me papa one bigger stick. I am papa one little stick.
Shoot that ball. You know, keep a real man. But do keep with something that makes sense, man. And then after it's a girl, go and shop.
Murder him.
So they shop now.
That's how you can go to Popeye.
And make it go to Popeye. Make a ball go to the yard. Make it make sense, man. Play
go back and shoot that time.
You buy stuff, you put on nail spanner. For your birthday, make it. You put on nail spanner for your sweet 16. Sweet 16. Let's say, how much you say, 17 also? But you're actually 16.
So, and I pass by him, do it for him? And I pass a man or D can do it. Wait. Come on, say I have enough money now.
No, but watch out
Yes.
now. See car now. You want me to charge that or something? Go on by pastor and come back. When I'm done, we could have
Get the paper you sign.
Yeah, make it. No, the pastor say you want the service upon yard. Go play service. Church service. You want private service. No, yo, you tell the pastor about you know. And the pastor want you up there to count for you.
I'm pray for you.
Yeah. The pastor go on, the pastor carry the job and pick up you.
That she I go say, no
Yeah.
matter.
But
But I
go
didn't
go
go
on,
to the
Go check that because man. If you want to
Alright, so shoot back at that.
So I go on here, so. One person missing. People will see if we can find her. Which part she a hide? Hello? Miss in the dark. Give me some light. Contact the people, man. Come to, alright? Feel sick? Come to. Come to light. You just look in the dark, sir. You know, sweat and all these things. You sure, alright? Okay. Okay. Alright. Tata. Who? No, sure, that's us still.
Oh, which one? Yeah, man, I could buy more board party, so I can't say, yo, yeah. Because if my thing goes to TV, it don't work out with all that time.
Taylor. Where going?
Because nobody now come too smart and then nobody now run them done because they know the COVID there rough.
Taylor.
Girl, catch up, Martin. Catch up, Martin.
Come here, come.
Alright, come. Change fast. Change the clothes. We can't send out too faster. And where pastor? Papa can't be faster.
Paul, if me hear name, flat up more than faster.
Where you say? Where you say?
You can't climb up on, but you do. You do.
Yeah, man, so.
Yeah, climb from back. Climb from back. Lego show a king so you can Lego.
Yeah, man, you can't watch it. You can't watch it.
Bye. Choco.
No, like I want you to.
So where am I going to the pastor? Like somebody still get more beaten. So Karen I show you I go and go to some update to go on in the Richard Brown films and all.
Until I do because grandpa don't talk, you know, because if grandpa talk, me tell grandma, say me think I'm a young girl.
You're informer. I want informer to speak.
That's how we talk when we young.
Move with the little looks, the little cheat.
So you didn't know some nooks. You don't know you have picnic, you have big girl. Oh, me look at nooks. You work, no, me look at nooks work.
Go talk back to me.
Papa, what is happening? Explain to me what is happening.
I'm acting like a kid.
Hi, Tavisha.
I'm a teenager. I'm acting like a 10-year-old.
Oh, sorry, I missed what you said all ago.
I'm acting like a kid in a movie, like a 10-year-old. I don't know how I'm pulling it, when I'm pulling it.
Oh,
Because maybe me a person of fun guy, I can change my character, you know? I can be an old man, I can be a young, decent man, I can be a kid, yeah, you name it.
You can do roles outside of comedy too, right?
Yeah, I can do roles.
But you ever play a role like that yet where no comedy none at all?
Well, I try it in an action, but sometimes you have to get jokes the same way.
No, I say if you have movies out there where no comedy, serious, just serious.
Oh, one by one.
Or one by one.
Outside of? No. Oh, it's not one by one. It's what's his name? I can't remember that.
Carelessness?
Shame of myself.
Carelessness?
No, not carelessness. Is it serious? Is it business? Something with business. I think you guys watch it on Jamaican Hood, but I still give a little joke, but I show my serious side in it.
Okay, alright, my boss. Nasty puff. Go down your side again, people.
Welcome to Jamaican Hood Entertainment. We are here live. Start here, look pregnant. That's
your story, man. That's your story. Like the first half foot can carry, build up a 200 kids and drop you off.
Make that ass move. Make that ass move. Make that ass move. Hey, she done over. Hey.
No, that the video over there, the video, man, do that over there. I teach him that to dance. So when he broke up, now you have to go, Mama, I teach you to dance and something.
You know, you can't do this elegant.
Oh, you must have girls.
Carlton, I go on with my general.
Yeah, man, I go on.
Yeah, anytime I have a camera on, I start talking. It's like I get nervous, man. I'm not I don't know what I do, general. What I go on to do? What I go on to do? When I reach 100,000, I know my boss.
Yes, congratulations to the whole Richard Brown family and the whole team, you know. I know it's nothing normal, Jamwood Entertainment. Congratulations, reach 100,000 now. Now we are going for $1 million.
Okay.
Right?
Not even 500,000, 1 million straight.
1 million, right.
Alright.
So we stop say 100,000, we start say $1 million. And now, so people, subscribe, like, share, comment.
And check out the Big Boy movie on your channel.
Yeah, check out the Big Boy uncut. People, this is a different type of thing, you know. This is an uncut version. You're not going to say, shot this or shot this or shot this. So this is just uncut. So just raw uncut talents right now we are dealing with.
Okay.
You see me? Normal. So check it out, man, and do the right thing and normal.
Alright, my general.
Curious, but you not have to show somebody who be past the car can't drive up.
You can't drive up, but you have to be better. Get the pass now.
I think good at it.
You might have to pass up a tube.
What me? Official pastor?
You never pass for a long time.
No, I have to shoot my good man. No uncut business. Shoot with angle.
Uncut, I'm in the blood clot place now. You're watching up.
Uncut.
Which you there now? 9,000. 9,000, my watch you know. 3,000, 9,000 each day. I just up this man and go 10,000.
I said uncut.
And you use them for this show because I have asked you. Comments tonight go longer. To have a paragraph.
Yeah, man, so long comments.
Because when I give you the story with substance, it's not go comment with substance. Then can't say I and boom and bam jump and bam shell. You have to write out.
Banger. Banger. Boom shell. Banger shell. Leah, you come to shoot. You finish with it? Yeah, but why not ban on slippers, Leah?
I said everything on my head.
You want the place wet?
No, we could feel.
Hello, behave yourself.
The substance on the earth now, the mineral
good, but when the place is wet and you walk up in it, that is sick.
Nah, sick though.
Yo.
Let me tell you why.
So I can get to know one call candy.
You know when I get this thing with it, it's on the surface of myself, it's sick. You want to run up and down in your mouth so hard that you sick. I'm smart.
When me ready, me walk barefoot enough to get to my
once a while you walk barefoot, you will
no, man, walk barefoot all the while on my yard. When me
Come
there,
here,
me
go to the
barefoot.
Richie.
No, what joke you
Yo, me know say
Richie, yeah, Richie.
You see a man time before me come out.
You make one walk out, but Richie.
Yo, me can't walk out as a barefoot, me I tell you.
You walk barefoot all the while, brother.
Me can't do it a bumper. Can't do it, man can take me off the advance. You think my foot then ugly, my foot then ugly. Just can't wear it. Look, my foot then ugly.
I lie.
Boss, I show you in toe them.
Then ugly.
Tell me how Alton toe them looking at the comments, people.
Ready, man.
Alright, ready, let's go! Let's have a kind of come here. First time there now, come on!
Come on.
You gonna check side, you gonna check Papa already?
Yeah, you gonna beat up Papa.
And then do a good line. And fuck, go now the man.
Probably fuck
This time the man. No, Ram, yo, me have to
Come Alton, make we shoot.
Great, change us.
Come in, don't understand, drive.
Alright. Woman, go on the phone. Go on the phone. Look at miss, go on your phone, look at miss.
I talk to Pastor.
I'm talking to the pastor. Right now, me look at doctor down here, give me be a problem. Go change your clothes.
You need prayer.
Me just change me clothes.
Not you, she shall change her clothes, just come back. Yeah.
What chair ready to write this up?
Oh, you want to
Where? Go for it for me. I don't know why they...
I'm going to feed in and so them I go back up there use it.
So why they lift you up this up? I need it.
So I go on the friend of the Take up the tie.
My cousin. What happened? Eh? What happened? Can't go to Alton. Sweaty, I love your outfit where you come out in. You look like the nice little sunshine baby for true. Like when you have on, you come out today and daddy apart. Eh? Yeah. You can't go to Alton.
Big boy, sweating.
Working. Right?
I went now, what about there now? Want to know?
Yeah.
Start shoot.
Yeah.
Oh, people, I'm going to check out public report on Instagram.
Start shooting.
Start shooting phone call.
So, I'm going to drive going now.
Wait, hold on, wait.
Oh, alright, wait.
She are going to be a thing start. So, come change my life. You start from pool and I don't want to go walk on footstep. Yes, I have a birthday.
You sit down from pool?
See. You stand from pool, party, you know back in the day. Before you start, when you're a preacher,
What?
you come and go up and save me. You know? And to start something, man, you have words, you use words. Yeah, you understand? And jog the time when you have and pastor are easy.
I just say, look at me a church leader.
A different life. You are not trying to change girl. The girl birthday come up, me at her out and put her in her nails. And you should look like this.
Look like big man.
Go and say, yeah, the phone, put it on the phone.
Fall far from
Put it on the phone.
Chick not fall far from the block.
You know what we talk on the phone?
I mean, I want to jump off her head, jump off her shoulder.
Go on over in the yard now. Go in the yard and come for the phone. Come on the phone then.
Oh, the blues and skirt are going on.
Guys, if you used to dance by phone and your daughter can't tell who you know, how we get it from?
Where am I getting it from here?
Yeah, alright.
Okay, can I fire for a good thing? Yo, go put on, wait for the girl. Hey, I'm not like talking too long, man. If you can't fight us, stay inside then.
Sunfly start biting? Look at Miss One go and can't go.
Hello. Yes, blessed sister. Anyhow, Pastor here. Pastor there. Hello, Pastor here. Yeah, what's up? They said, look how cute, what's your name? Cutie. Cutie?
Papa, we catch you as an voice note.
A lie.
Later. Come on, big up yourself. So, she had talked to the pastor. But I'm curious on the phone.
I'm scared. Scared on the road. You know what I mean? I'm scared on the road. This is smoke and cigarette and weed. And she not see you now. And she had to tell his girlfriend. Right? She just gone down. You know what I mean? I'm the one that knows.
Yeah, man, enough self. Oops. Jaja, do you guys recognize this system here? Oh, that's how I make the noise. I'm not an Apple fan nor a Mac fan, but the screen resolution and the colors are amazing. That machine right there. Car keys.
Right now, we go to put it on the mother by and they're not up there now. We have enough time to give her some service. You know what I mean? I'm sitting around here. Make she behave herself. Alright? Line her up right now. Pastor come here and tell her say, anything I say, you must do. Right? Talk to her before the covenant was coming, you know. But tell her they have put her in her mind.
What going?
She in her mind.
Nothing.
Alright?
Later. No, me have a video. How I go on also? Look like they delete everything off I file them with them that I use. Man. Where do you need to know, Papa?
Gotta take some watching time, you know? I have a flight.
You have on a flight?
Yeah, I have a flight.
Oh, you fly out there, overseas?
No, not right now.
Oh, I hear you. Where's the drive-by time? Come here, pick up, she?
Go by her now.
Come here, pick up, she?
Yeah, you pick her up.
You need the key there?
Alton. Yeah, what the black bed?
How in there?
Go on, nigga. Yo, big boy, this one I have some more. Ready now. Set him out.
Oh, so behind the scenes, don't know people, so that is what is happening at Jamaican City. Later, I'm out.